Thanks for dropping into Waves and Craves. I'm your host, Missy, and I'm back at it. Even better with my nephew, Kai, behind the lens, and I'm so stoked because we're both foodies. And today we have the most amazing recipe for you. I'm gonna make my mango avocado ceviche, and it's so good and delicious. They should call it probably Yes Please Ceviche, because you won't be able to stop with just one bite, I promise. It is so delish. It's got a little mango, avocado, red onion, jalapeno. Even better, it's gonna set it off as a little local honey. You guys are gonna die, it's so good. I'm gonna be using this local halibut that I picked up at Fraser Farms from the most amazing fishmonger. I use Luis, he's amazing, go check him out, he always hooks me up. I'm gonna mix this up now. I'm gonna add it to the fridge for about an hour. I'm gonna add my veggies, and I'm gonna add a secret sauce that's gonna set it off.